So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. I would be her. If you are new here again, let me say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have, yes, Allure, which, guys, I completely have forgotten to unbox this for, oh my gosh, like, I don't know how many months. But anyway, we're going to do it this month because it's here. So, if you want to see what's in the Allure, because I have no idea, I didn't even look, I have not a clue, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes, guys, we do have Allure for the month of June. Now, I have been getting this, like I paid for the whole year, and it will be coming until October, I think, or September, but whatever. And I haven't unboxed it in a couple months because, quite frankly, I just wasn't feeling it. But it's here, so we're going to do it. Okay, now, if you don't know about Allure, there's my label always. It is now $23. I am locked in at, I don't know, something like $13 because I did pay for a year before they switched over. Now, I personally really have, I've seen a little bit of a change, but not that much. But we're going to see. Maybe this box is different. I don't know. This month, maybe it's the biggest, greatest box. I don't know. I don't know what's in it. So if you haven't guessed already, this is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty here. Unboxings, try-ons, new releases, that kind of thing. So yeah, I say, I'm trying, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm looking for my tweezers because I cannot find my scissors. Okay, I'm going, you know what, I don't think that's going to work on this one. Let's try the handy pen, shall we? Please, 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 I'm going to ask you all, if you see a brand or an item from a brand that you are interested in, please tag me in it, okay? So that way I can grab it, so I can see that, tag me and leave a little message. Hey, this is coming out. If you want to see it and you're not, like if you're not able to grab it or you aren't sure if you want it, or something like that, please mention it down below in the comment section or tag me over on Instagram, on that post. Say, hey, Stephanie, check this out. I definitely will try my best to get it and I will review it on the channel. And that way you guys will see if it's worth spending your money on. Okay. I'm all about doing that. And yes, if I can save you guys money, I absolutely will. All right. Enough rambling. I am sorry. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. And if you have not yet, like I said, hit that button, please do. Remember to turn your bell on, guys, because I always do hidden giveaways in my videos. And the only way you're going to know that a video is coming is if you have your bell on. Okay. Just saying. Now, I can open that right up. These, I don't know about these things anymore. They're giving out. I think I ruined them, but okay. All right, so we do have this now. Popped it open. All right, there we go. Allure, there's a lot to unpack. Okay, if you say so. Tools of the trade. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that is. Oh, here it is. We are not, look guys, remember, I started to paraphrase and I'm going to keep on doing that, but I will need my glasses because the print is ever so small, so let's get into that. All right, so here's what I see, okay, and I will try and move along here like this. Okay, so down here, oh, I see now. So this has something to do with those brushes, and I do see them in here. Here we have them. What are they, you say? I'm going to tell you. Summer lovin'. I don't know. That must be the theme. Summer loving? Summer lovin'. I guess they're coming out with a theme now because that's what it kind of looks like. See right there? Summer lovin'. Okay. So these are the, LaRousse. I should have known by the paper. Okay. LaRousse 3-piece brush set. Thank Jesus we have this in a box because they're trying to say that this 3-piece brush set, which I do have, I believe. I don't know, maybe not this exact one, but I do have one that we got, I believe, in Ipsy, gave us 5. But I don't remember them being this expensive. But I will tell you. Let's open her up and see. Okay, it's got a little stick. Wow. Wow, I have to, rip everything. Do I want to do that? I'm going to have to rip it, guys. But I will put it back in here and put a little sticker here or something, okay? So the way you open it is you pull the tab. I remember that from, oh, geez. Well, you're supposed to be able to pull it all the way across. So let me just, there. Okay. So I do have, it's like a little envelope. Oh, and they're individually wrapped, so that's cool. Okay. So these are very, I mean, pretty bougie, I will say. So we do have 3 brushes. Count them, 3. Okay. So what do you get? We get, these makeup brushes are all about finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. The flat concealer brush. This is a concealer brush right here, guys. I don't want to touch it because probably going to be putting these in a giveaway. That's real. Oh, this is for like cut creases. Very stiff. Holy moly. Yeah, it's like really hard. It doesn't move. So there you have that. I don't know. Can you see it? Yeah. It's kind of wonky. You see that? It's kind of wonky. But anyway, yeah, I wouldn't be able to do a concealer unless that's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Let me think. The flat concealer brush carefully lays down pigment to disguise a pimple that just popped up. So it's for your face? I thought these were eye brushes. Okay. All right. Well, the squat dense bristles on the short shadow brush, which is, this is something you would use. Normally, they say you can put shimmers on. I usually buff out my bottom lash with this, or I'll like stipple the darker shade on and then take a fluffier brush, something along the lines of maybe this or something like this, and I'll one of these two, and I'll just run it with a lighter shade to buff it out. So you have that, and then this one is an angled brush. The last magic wand, also the fullest and most versatile, is the angled shading brush. Not only can you sweep the shadow all over your lids with it, but the velvety soft bristles also blend out the edges. Okay, so I see what they're saying, but it's, I don't know. These kind of don't look like the other ones that I have, but all right. There you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and flop these back down in there somehow. Hold, please. Okay, that was hard because I had to like work them down, pull it up, work it out. Okay, so we do have them back in there. And again, I will stick these in because I'm pop. Okay, so do you want to hear how much they are? $84 for these 3. I mean, they are full-size brushes, and there are 3 of them. But yeah, they want $84 for them, but they're in a subscription box. So, okay, Allure, you made the $24 with these 3 brushes, or so they're saying. Anyway, okay. Now, the next thing I see here is Espa. Espa Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. Right here we have that. So this lady's saying her skin has been extra blotchy lately, and her regular moisturizer isn't calming the redness on her cheeks. So she uses this 10 minutes, too antsy to go the full 20 that's recommended on the bottle, so she only used it for half the time, and loved how her skin felt tighter but not dry. All right, so that's cool. And this, oh no, really? This is a full size as well. Now, I will tell you, here we go. Ipsy all over. I guess they all do it. I can't blame it only on Ipsy now. It's right to here, guys. It's right across here. So this, all this part is empty. This is $34, so that is a full size. So there you have that. Let me stick it here. Then we have this guy, right here. This is Orbi. Now, I don't understand. Orbi's heck of expensive, and I don't know. You know, I don't use dry shampoos, but this is Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax. I have to read about this. Why would you put wax on your hair? But let me just hear. Styling my thick, coarse, curly hair. Well, I don't have coarse, I have curly hair. Sometimes does that, but you know, half of it will be curly, the rest of it will be straight. I don't know. It says styling my thick, coarse, curly hair can be a lot. I like to flat iron it and then shake things up with this ultra fine mist. It adds buildable texture to create beachy waves. Okay, so I guess it's like a styling spray as well. Full size of this is $42, and I'm judging this is not this is not a full size, but the full size is $42. Again, very expensive. Okay, now we do have, let's see, oh wait, there's one here. This is, oh boy. Listen, I don't make these words up. I promise you I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do my best to say it. But if I get it also wrong, do not laugh. But let's see. Can you see that? Let's see if it can focus. I hope it does. Yeah, there it is. Okay. I'm going to give it my best. Ready? Dongingbai. There you go. I said, holy crap, it only took me like 10 times. So here's what this looks like. I don't know what this is. This is, oh, it's a single essence. Yeah. Donging by $18.99 single essence. Of the many, many, many soothing treatments I've reached for to help heal the sensitivity I'm experiencing due to stress and insomnia, this has, what? This has, I don't get, my skin doesn't get sensitive because I don't sleep. Because if that were the case, my skin would just be peeling right off because I never sleep. But anyway, this is a K-Beauty favorite. This essence made with anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract not only hydrates, oh, that's a pretty bottle. I do like that. It not only hydrates her tired skin, but it coddles it when it needs soothing the most. I've been using it as a prep step. Okay, so essence, you absolutely could and should, after toning, put this on before serums. Christina, if you're out there, this is another example. I don't have this, but I do have my Murad essence. It's more of a cream. Now, I did say in the comment that it has different textures. This is more like a liquid, if you can see that. See, it's very liquidy. Mine is a little thicker. You pump it out, and it's like more like a serum that you put on, and then you go in with like your hyaluronic acids and that kind of thing. So any essence you should put on, it preps your skin so that the essence can really like get in there and do what they're supposed to. $54.99 for a full size, which is a lot for an essence, just saying. All right, now, moving right along, we do have 2 more items. Yes, 2 more things. What are they? Let's see. Okay, Skin & Co. I do like this brand. This is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Now, as long as it's not the... Oh, it is. Polishing Cleansing. Whipped Cleansing Cream. I know that Gommage, when I used it, I got little red bumps, like, immediately. It was almost like I was allergic to it. Now, I was told I was allergic to mushrooms after eating a slice of pizza and my throat closed, but I've eaten mushrooms since and hadn't had that problem, just to test out the theory, because I was like, no, I don't think so. But that was the only thing they could come up with, because it was the only thing I ate that day that was different from everything else. And they said, but then I've eaten, like I said, I've eaten maybe just certain kinds of mushrooms, but this did kind of irritate my face. Not this particular variation of product. It was the Gommage we got in BoxyCharm. That did kind of like give me little red, like prickly heat right away. But anyway, this is sensitive skin that can become red or dry at the drop of a hat. It strengthens the skin's moisture barrier with essential fatty acids. And the second I pop the lid, a sweet yet earthy scent with hints of almond oil. Oh, it's encased in plastic, guys, so I can't, like, it's like shrink wrapped, if you can see that. See it? Yeah. It transports her to the sunny Italian countryside where the brand's product is made. The cream lathers into a thick, slightly soapy consistency. It's rich, so I use only a piece. There we go with that piece size again. Always take at least a full minute to lather it, paying extra attention to my most oil-prone spots. That tells me that this is going to dry you out. But then it says, for clean, hydrated, happy skin. I don't know if I can use this because, you know, the Mojave Desert right here, okay? Just saying. So anyway, but this is a full size and it is $35. So there you have that. Now, last but not least, we do have, you could either get one of 3 things. You could have gotten the Wen coconut mask, which I'm very happy I didn't get because coconut does break me out, especially in a mask, like being on my face for that long. Although the jelly, bounce back jelly from e.l.f., the cleanser, since I'm washing it off right away, it doesn't do that. I don't break out from it. But yeah, coconut is known to break me out. Or tea tree sheet mask, or Erno and Laszlo multitask eye serum mask. Now, I see Erno and Laszlo a lot in TJ Maxx, and I'm very tempted to get the firming cream. I don't know. They have one for your neck, because, you know, God knows this neck sure does need a little of that. And they do have one for your face. And these are eye serum masks. In addition to making me feel glamorous, Erno and Laszlo's under eye mask patches are useful. They contain, oh boy, allantoin, a moisturizing agent that offers enough hydration to help plump little lines and soothe delicate under eyes. So I'm looking forward. I love me some masks under my eyes, guys. I do it almost every single time I sit down and put makeup on. I don't always do it, like if I'm just running errands or something, but when I need my face, like, to go on camera or something, I do have the Good Molecules caffeine patches, and I do have the Grace and Stella collagen patches, and I do like them. So this is going to be very interesting. I'm looking forward to trying that. So there you have it. So let's recap really quickly. We have the Espa clay mask. We have the Oral-B wax that I don't think I can use. We have the Skin & Co. I don't know whether it's supposed to take away the oil or hydrate. And then we have the Essence, which let me put it back in the box right here. So I'm excited about the Essence because I do like Essence. Then we have the $84 3 Trio brush set, which I will be putting in a giveaway. And also we have the eye patches. So, I mean, yes, I can see the definite difference in this box from how it used to be. A lot of full size, a lot of expensive stuff. You know, do I think it's worth $23? Maybe this box, I would say yes. Personally, for me, like as far as the products are concerned, can I use all of them? No. But I mean, if you could use all these products, it would be definitely worth the $23. So there, I said it. Will I say it again? We don't know. Let's just keep opening it from here until it's over. I probably will not be repurchasing this box once the year is up. I'm just saying. Unless they do like something spectacular. I don't know. But there you have it for the month of June Allure. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Like I said, if you have not... If the winners have not been announced, they will be very shortly because, like I said, it is early Wednesday morning when I'm filming this video. I do have one video going up before this. So by the end of this coming weekend, the winners, I should be announcing the winners. So stay tuned. Please don't unsubscribe because if I do announce, on the weekend and you are unsubscribed, then you're not eligible. But not only that, we have fun here, guys. Like, I love you guys, and I'm just so happy that I was able to do international, and I plan on doing them over and over again. Like, I really do. I want to include everybody, and this channel is all about that, inclusivity. It's, you can be yourself, you can let your hair down and be goofy, and, I just want to create a place for you to come to enjoy yourself, and I hope that I'm doing that. And, yeah, so with that, I will say, if you are going through something or you have something weighing heavy on your mind, please share. Grab somebody that you care about or cares about you very much and share with them. Hell, hit me up. I will listen. I've been through a lot in my life, and I'm still here to talk about it, and that's the most important thing. Also, if you are asked to share about it, please be that person that says yes and lend your ear. But in this great, big, mixed up, crazy world, like I always say, the most important thing, guys, is to stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.